Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 10. In that one, part B chemistry. In the previous video we have answered all the questions related to part A physics. So now let us move for part B chemistry. This is part 2 key answers. So let us answer the from fifth main, that is from 8th question. So let us see what is that 8th question. So that 8th question is, what are alkalis? So this it is 1 mark question. So what are alkalis? Alkalis are the bases which are soluble in water. The bases which are soluble in water are called alkalis. Next, ninth question. So what are antacids? So let us see what are antacids. The medication to neutralize acid the medication to neutralize acid present in the stomach is called as neutralization. Is called as, it is actually neutralization only. And here, because in our stomach, if more acid is produced, that acid will be neutralized by this antacid. So antacid acts like it is a base which neutralizes the acid present in the stomach. So now let us move for the next 10th question. So the 10th question is, name the gas released when acid reacts with metals. So what happens? What is the what gas will be released when acid reacts with the metal? So generally, if I write like this, acid reacts with metals to form salt, and it liberates a gas called hydrogen. Therefore, the answer is, it releases a gas and the name of that gas is hydrogen gas. So now let us move for 7th main, that is 11th question. So in the 11th question they have asked that 4 solutions A, B, C and D with pH values 8, 13, 4 and 12 4 and 2 respectively. So in that one they asked which of them is most alkaline. This is A question. So among 4 solution, so first question is which of them is most alkaline anta kottidane. So adike answer madana. 4 solutions are there: A, B, C, D. The pH of A is 8 and B is 13, C is 4 and D is 2. So in the first question, among these 4 solution, which of them is most alkaline? So most alkaline is having a solution having more pH, that is B. So B is more alkaline. This is A question. So in that one, B question is there, and that question is, arrange them in the decreasing order of their H plus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration ಅನ್ನು decreasing order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. So let us write the that is in decreasing order. So ಇದರೊಳಗೆ decreasing H plus ion decreasing order ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ H plus ion ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ B. H plus ion in concentration in the decreasing order ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕಿನ್ನ ಪಿ ಎಚ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದು ಇದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ಆಸ್ ಮೋರ್ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ, ಸಿ ಆಸ್ ಮೋರ್ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಆಸ್ ಮೋರ್ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಅಮಾಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ 4, B will have less H plus ion and D will have more H plus ion. B ನಲ್ಲಿ H plus ion ತುಂಬಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ H plus ion ಜಾಸ್ತಿ OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ H ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ, OH ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ OH ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ that is given for solution in the decreasing order of their H plus ion concentration. So like this we have to answer. Now let us move for the 12th question. So what is the 12th question? Write the importance of pH in our daily life. In our daily life we have to write what is the importance of pH. So let us answer this question. So let us answer the 11th question. So not 11th, it is 12th. Write the importance of pH in our daily life. So the first that is let us answer that is one by one. So our body works with the pH of, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ pH in our digestive system. So the first this one is our body works if the pH is between 7 to 7.8. This is the first use of pH in our daily life. If our mouth pH is less than 5.5, it leads to tooth decay. Then the third one is if the rainwater has pH less than 5.6, it is termed as acid rain. Then fourth one is soil requires certain pH for healthy growth of plants. Then self defense by animals through chemical warfare. So these are the uses of pH in our everyday life. So now let us move for the next question, that is question number 13. So the question number 13 is name the gases collected at anode and cathode and their uses during chlor-alkali process. So now let us make a list of gases that has been collected at anode and cathode during chlor-alkali process. So at anode, then at cathode. So the gas collected at anode will be chlorine. So chlorine gas is collected. At cathode, hydrogen is collected. So hydrogen gas is collected at cathode and chlorine gas is collected at anode. So cathode hatra hydrogen collect agutte, anode hatra so what will be collected at anode, that is chlorine will be collected at anode. So now let us make a list of uses of chlorine gas. So uses ke barana, uses of chlorine gas. So chlorine gas ಅನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಬಹುದು? It is used in water treatment. Then the second use is it is used in swimming pools. It is used in swimming pools. Then it is used in the manufacture of PVC, that is polyvinyl chloride, PVC manufacture. Then the fourth one, it is used as disinfectants. It is used as disinfectants. So these are the uses of that is gas, which is gas called chlorine, which is collected at anode. Then coming to the gas collected at cathode. At cathode, hydrogen gas is collected, and this hydrogen gas is used as a fuel. So rocket nalli hydrogen na fuel ಆಗಿ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಒಂದು, it is used in the manufacture of that is margarine. So margarine ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Margarine ಅಂದ್ರೆ so it is called as ನಾವು artificial ghee ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ, artificial ghee ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಾಲ್ಡಾ. ಸೊ ಡಾಲ್ಡಾನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. It is used in the manufacture of ammonia, which is used as a fertilizer. So it is used in the manufacture of ammonia for fertilizers. So these are the three uses of gas collected at cathode, that is hydrogen. So by this next one more question is there, 14th one, that is a diagram question. Draw a neat label diagram of acid solution in water conduct electricity. So this is the diagram question. So by this we have answered all the questions related to chemistry. In the next video we are going to answer for part C, biology. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Once again, thanks for everyone for your great support.